Use these formulas to get rid of flies, mosquitoes, and ants. The recipe we are about to give you will make all the flies and ants in your house disappear within an hour. This is a nature-friendly recipe, so our tiny guests will leave your house without being harmed. Hot and humid air creates the perfect breeding conditions for the flies. When the thermometer shows above 30 centigrade degrees or 86 Fahrenheit, flies and mosquitoes become very active. Flies are not so harmless as most would assume. They have the ability to carry and transmit diseases, so it's for the best to prevent them from getting into our homes. We may find flies and ants disturbing, but all in all, every creature has their mission to provide balance in the nature in their own way. So it is best to resort to harmless methods. We have tried this recipe in our home and saw in firsthand that it repels flies and ants naturally. At the end of the video, you'll find a second recipe for repelling the mosquitoes. We advise you to watch until the end of the video to learn that also. Now, if you are ready, here is the first recipe. The first ingredient we will be using is vinegar. Vinegar has a strong odor that flies and ants dislike very much. Our second ingredient, cloves, are rich in eugenol, a substance with insecticidal properties. It is also considered to be a powerful antiseptic and bactericide. Our third ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf has a distinct odor that repels the insects and prevents them from reproducing. Now write down the ingredients for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of cloves, not on powdered form, 2 bay leaves, half cup of white vinegar, 1 glass of water. How to prepare? Put the bay leaves and cloves in the water and boil them for 10 minutes. Let the pot cool down. Then strain the mixture, add the white vinegar and put the mixture in a spray bottle. Give the bottle a shake to make sure it is mixed thoroughly. Spray the mixture on places that flies or ants gather the most. It smells cloves, so the smell won't disturb you. You can use the mixture in house cleaning too. The eugenol ingredient has antibacterial properties. We sprayed the mixture 4 times to the corners where the ants are coming into the house. After a day, there was no sign of the ants whatsoever. You can use the mixture for cleaning the surfaces or windows of your house to get rid of flies too. Bonus: have a restful sleep with no mosquitoes around. With this recipe, you can get rid of mosquitoes naturally. You'll need 8 to 10 cloves and a lemon for this. Slice the lemon in half. Stick the cloves on the lemon and put the lemon on your bedside table. You'll be surprised to see the mosquitoes are not bothering you anymore. This method also works outdoors or in your balcony too. An uninterrupted sleep without those pesky mosquitoes will make you happy and healthy in hot summer nights. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.